Hello John, welcome back. And today in this video, we are going to be talking about the div tag. And talking about the div tag is a generic container tag. When I say generic, it is the most suited among them, and it's more common among them to use as a container tag, where you can put all different elements in there. So the issue is previously, a lot of developers use div tag everywhere they want to group an element, or they want to just put an element inside a container, or let me say group some kind of element. They all use group tag, div tag, and it's becoming too much. But with the implementation, or let me say with discoveries of this semantic tag, which include this section tag, the article tag, and other tags such as the footer and the nav, so now it's now easier. People use different tags for different, let me say, different occasion rather than just everyone using a div tag, a div tag. Well, talking about div, let's dive into code and see how it works. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to open a new folder. I'm going to open a new folder and give it a name. Let's say I'll give it a div. And this folder, I'm going to open it up inside a code editor. And then inside here, I should be able to open a new file and name it index.html. And then I should also bring out the normal HTML document structure, change the title to div because we are treating div tag. Then inside our body, we can have as much element as you want. Hello, div tags. And we can keep on creating div. We can keep on creating our div tag and then nesting anything we want to nest inside it. You can nest as many elements as you want inside the div tag. And that's what it does. It's a container tag. We use it in grouping other different elements, and then it will be easy for us to style it. So let me say I have a paragraph tag also that says Lorem 2. That's perfect. And you may be wondering now, we just have a single tag of div. We can have as plenty as possible, have as plenty div as possible. All we need to do here is whenever we get to our CSS and we want to separate it or want to style each div, and if you select just a div, it's going to select every one of them and style it, give them the same styling. We don't want to do that. Maybe we want to give each div different style. So that's when our class attributes and id attributes comes into play. So we can give them different classes, different id, uh, and this is going to be used inside our css to style it more easily. If you really like this video, kindly subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye bye.